Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on section 194R. This is applicable from the financial year 2022-23 from the 1st July 2022. Like you're seeing, like from last 3 to 4 years, there are a lot of changes incurred within those TDS provisions. So the government is trying to increase or extend the tax space area, you can say. They are increasing the number of TDS section, increasing the areas wherein the payer would be reporting to the department. In this, the payer would be deducting and paying to the department. Sort of arrangement has been trying to made by the government. In last 2 years, you can see a lot of new section inserted like tax defaulter, faulters. There is an additional TDS is also there that is required to be deducted under section 206AB. Lot of other section like 94B, 94M, etc. has been inserted from last couple of years. In this proposal financial bill 2022, that is budget bill 2022, also proposed also for there are new TDS proposals are also there, and earlier 206 AB referring to that becoming now more dangerous. However, this on this 206 AB section we are going to make a video, separate video. You can go on that video and check whether how it is more dangerous than earlier 206 AB. So as per this financial year, it is applicable for the in this financial year 2022-23. Three amendments will be there. That is, three section has been inserted. That is section 194R, which is TDS on benefit or perquisite of business or a professional. Cryptocurrency 194S, 206AB that are discussed. So 194R. What is section 194R? 194R asks the payer while making any benefit or perquisite given during the previous year, if the total value of such benefit or perquisite is more than 20,000 to a single person, then income receiver required to declare that income under PGBP, that is profit and gain from business profession. Therefore, that is correlated with section 28(4), that is subclause 4 of Income Tax Act. Then the TDS at the rate 10% should be required to be deducted. That is, this section says 194R. So 194R section prescribe that 194R is about deducting the TDS at the rate 10% of the rate given by a person who is passing any benefit or perquisite to a person, and receiving person is won't be, it would be taxable under profit under section 28(4). So from here guys, you are clear now, that is, it is crystal clear. If you are paying any perquisite or any value addition to or extra amount apart from the to a salary staff apart from the salary, that is, there should be that there will be an employer and employee relation, then this section 194R won't be applicable. As I thought this will be becoming a more headache for all accounting and professionals, so I identified this kind of transaction on which 194R is applicable. For example, I can give you one example, like any free sample given to your customer, it will attract 194R? No, it won't be applicable. As said earlier, any benefit perquisite received by the receiver should be declared under section 28(4), meaning recipient shall be taxable under PGBP. Then only 194R is applicable. Any discount received on purchase of car, will it be applicable 194R? No, it won't be applicable because discount is in monetary terms. So 194R is not applicable on this. So in this budget memorandum, there was a reference or correlation of section 194R with 28(4). One more thing, that if we are determining the value of such benefit or perquisite, on what basis we are, that value should be at fair market value, we should be calculated. So this is the theoretical part. I try to make you understand. So let's go with the slides and we'll get a deep knowledge on that. So this is the section 194, states that when a person responsible for providing to a resident any perquisite or benefit arising in the course of carrying out such business or profession. Such person should, before remitting the same to such, 10% of the value of aggregate of the, as I discussed this now. However, TDS shall not be applicable if the value or aggregate value of the benefit or perquisite does not exceed 20,000 during the financial year. This section shall not be applicable to individual or FGF whose total gross or sales does not exceed rupees 1 crore in case of business or rupees 50 lakh in case of profession. This section also states whether the benefit or perquisite paid in cash or paid in kind or partly in cash or partly in such part of cash is not sufficient to meet the liability of tax in respect. In this case, payer would, before releasing the benefit, must ensure that the tax has been deducted in respect of such benefit. This also 194R states that the person responsible for providing, the person who is paying, should be responsible for deducting the tax, whether it in the case or whether it is a case of company itself only. And 194R, one more section. As I said earlier, that if there is a employee-employer relation, then this section 194R is not applicable. If a company wants to give benefit or perquisite to its distributor or supplier in regard to promoting their business, boosting their sale in any kind, travel package, gift card, gold coins, phones, vehicles, incentive, any kind, then this is covered under section 194R and it would be applicable under TDS before providing benefit or perquisite. TDS at the rate 10% will be applicable on this, and with the effect from 1st July 2022 this section will be applicable. So guys, this is the section 194R 94. So we're going to meet you soon with another video. Thank you.